Welcome students. How are you kids? I hope my students are fit and fine as I am watching them continuously in the live session as they are doing their work and they are sending their work as well. So students, as you all know, I am your science teacher Miss Ruksar Parveen and you all are my 6th class students. So students, which chapter we are continuing? Yes, chapter number 4. Just tell me the chapter is over and it's just started. Yes, it's just over. So when the chapter will complete, so what we will start? Yes, very good. We are going to start our book exercise and questions as you all are very much curious to give the answers. So I'll ask you one by one what is the answer. So first of all, we have to recapitulate what we have done in the previous class. We have just give the recapitulation, and what I have given you the keyword, isn't it? So student, as you can see, what we will do in today's session, book exercises and the page number which is A46. A46. And now tell me student, do you want to complete your work with me? Yes, it can be. So everyone open your book, page number A46, and you have to take pencil in your hands. So let's start with the question answers. So what questions we will complete in today's session? We will do filling the blanks. Then we will do correct this statement. After that we will do the match the following, which is your favorite question answers. And then after I'll ask you true and false question. After that we will do find odd one and out, and this is new type of question which we are going to learn. Okay, so these questions we will consider and we will complete in today's session. So students, are you ready to do? So okay, so let's start with question number 1, that is fill in the blanks. So one by one I'll ask. Okay Rudra, are you there? I know you are there. So first question, as it is mentioned on page number 46, the question is asking, oh, what a coincidence that it is mentioned the answer list as well. So it is very easy to pick the correct option from there, isn't it? So question is saying filling the blank spaces by choosing the correct option which is already listed here. So question number 1 is asking, okay, who will tell? Okay, Ishanvi will tell. Okay Ishanvi, can you tell me common salt dash in water? Common salt is dash in water. Yes, answer is very nice. Common salt is soluble. So write down with me, SOLUBLE. That is soluble in water. Okay, come to the next question. Who will tell? You will tell? Okay. Okay, tell me Ayushman, the freshly sandpapered surface of a metal has dash. Sandpaper का जो surface होता है वो क्या होता है? Yes, चमकदार. So what we are calling that in English? Very good, luster. That is your luster. Very nice students. Now come to the third point. Okay, so third point is saying coconut oil, as we have done this activity twice. Okay, coconut oil dash on the surface of water. Oil is what? Immiscible in water. So what they will do on the surface of water? क्या करेंगे पानी के ऊपर? तैरेंगे, which means they will float on water. Who will float? Oil, coconut oil, mustard oil and other oil. Okay. Now come to the fourth point, is asking most of the gases are dash in water. ज़्यादातर gases water में क्या होती है बेटा? Very good. That is insoluble. That is insoluble. Very good. Now come to the next. Okay. Glass is dash substance. So last option बचा है हमारे पास. So answer would be glass क्या होता है बेटा? Transparent, and transparent objects are objects which do not allow light to pass through it. Allow light to pass through it, and the object from which we can see clearly. Okay. So this is it. Filling the blanks is done. So I hope you have done in your book as well. Okay. So next question is correct this statement, which is your favorite question, isn't it? So let's do the correct statement. So it's at. So class, there is the correct the statement question, and this is your question number 2. So basically we have to write, you can do this question in your notebook beta. Okay, because there is no space in your book, you have to do it in your notebook. So we will read the question from the book. So everyone be concentrated. And copper, an old copper object is reddish in color. जो कॉपर होता है, जो पुराना हो जाता है तो वो रेडिश होता है. नो, व्हेन इट गेट्स रिएक्टेड विद द ऑक्सीजन के साथ, वो रिएक्ट करने के बाद उसका कलर चेंज हो जाता है. सो व्हाट इज द कलर? सो व्हाट वी कैन चेंज द स्टेटमेंट, एन ओल्ड कॉपर ऑब्जेक्ट इज ग्रीन इन कलर. किसमें हो जाता है बेटा वो? ग्रीन. सो वी हैव टू कट द रेडिश वन एंड वी हैव टू राइट द ग्रीन वन. ओके, नाउ द सेकेंड वन, डायमंड इज अ डैश सब्सटेंस. As it is written here, diamond is an opaque substance. क्या diamond एक opaque substance है? No, diamond से तो आप आर पार देख सकते हो. So that is your basically transparent. Okay, that is your kind of transparent, or you can say it's a like the translucent object. Okay, so basically we can write transparent object. Now honey, honey dash on the surface of water. Question is written here, honey floats on the surface of water. So how we can correct it? We can write honey basically sinks. Float नहीं करता है, क्या करता है वो? Sink करता है, पानी के अंदर डूब जाता है, because it is thicker in nature. Now fourth one is saying alcohol is immiscible in water. मैंने आपको sanitizer I have put it in the water and I told you that, can you tell me that was immiscible? No, that was miscible. So what would be the correct option? Alcohol is miscible. MISCIBLE, miscible with water. Now the last one, as it is written here, talcum powder, जो हम पाउडर लगाते हैं गर्मियों में, that is your hardest substance. No, talcum powder is not hardest. So who is hardest? Diamond is the hardest substance. So you can write here, diamond is the hardest substance in nature. So this you have to correct the statement and write in your notebooks. So let's proceed towards the match the following. Okay. So students, as you can see on page number A47, it is written here, match the statement in column A and B. So there are column A and B. Never do the zig and zag lining. Okay, in the matching it create the messiness in the book. So everyone, as column number A is mentioned, a material which is capable of scratching another material. एक मटेरियल जो कि दूसरे मटेरियल को स्क्रैच कर सकता है, तो उसको हम क्या कहेंगे बेटा? दैट मटेरियल इज हार्ड. दैट मटेरियल इज हार्ड. Number 2 is written as, so definitely first of all what you have to do in column B. In column B, as it is written here, just write down A is written carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide. Second is mentioned translucent. Okay, it is written here translucent. And C is written here hard. D is written here material. Okay, everything is mentioned here. I am just writing. And last one is written immiscible. Okay, what you have to do in column B, you have to take your pencil, as we have read that a material which is capable of scratching another material. तो हम उसके ऑप्शन के आगे बेटा क्या लिख देंगे? That is your hard. So first answer is your hard. Okay. Now the second question is asking a liquid which does not dissolve in water. एक liquid जो कि आपके किसमें dissolve नहीं होता है? Water में. So just find out the answer. जो dissolve नहीं होता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं बेटा? Immiscible liquid. So answer would be immiscible liquid. Now the next one, a term used to describe a particular kind of matter. a term used to describe a particular kind of matter. एक particular kind of matter के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? So answer could be your material. So answer 3 is your D option. Okay, are you getting my point? Okay, now the next one, as it mentioned here that a substance through which you can see partially. Who will tell me? I told you that a substance which shows us only partially, a blurry nature, blurry view. So what is the name of that object? Yes, who will tell me? Okay, Pranali, very good, Pranali. So answer would be your translucent. So this is your fourth answer. Okay, now the next one is here, a gas which is soluble in water. A gas which is soluble in water, and the last option is available. So yes, this is correct. Carbon dioxide is the soluble in water. So this is how you have to attempt your match the following in your book. Just in column B, write down the answers of this. Okay, great. I hope so that you will not create the messiness in your book. Now the fourth question, that is your true and false, and which is very amazing question, that if a statement is correct, write true. If a statement is wrong, you have to write false. Okay, so start with one by one. Okay, Aradhya, iodine crystals have luster. क्या आयोडीन क्रिस्टल्स के पास आयोडीन आपको पता है छोटे छोटे से लाइक योर सोडियम के अंदर आयोडीन प्रेजेंट होते हैं. आर दे हैविंग द लस्टर? एंड आई टॉट यू एज वेल. यस, they are lustrous. So answer is true. Okay, natural water contains dissolved carbon dioxide which helps in the respiration of fishes, as it is written here that जो हमारे जो आपका basically the carbon dioxide which is present in your water, so which help in the respiration of the fishes. Yes, basically the H2O which is present in the water which help us, the oxygen is basically help us to give the oxygen to the fishes which is present in the water. So answer would be definitely true. Okay, now the next one. Diamond is the hardest naturally occurring substance, isn't it? Yes, as we all know, diamond is the hardest substance. So answer will be again true. Okay, now the next one. Butter paper is transparent material. आप बताइए, क्या जो बटर पेपर होता है जिसमें हम स्केचिंग करते हैं वो ट्रांसपेरेंट होता है? क्या उसके आर पार बिल्कुल क्लियरली शोन होता है? यस काव्या? नो. सो आंसर विल बी false. Definitely that is your false. That is your translucent object. Now the last one. Honey is immiscible with water. क्या honey जो होता है वो आपके water के साथ mix नहीं हो सकता है? No, that can be mixable. Okay, so answer would be false. So till here, I hope that we have discussed the match the following and true and false as well. So you have done till here, and we will proceed to the next question. Okay. So student, this is our fifth question number as it is mentioned in your book, and you have to do it in the book. Simple. Okay. So question is find odd one out. Basically they have given some names, और इन names में से आपको जो odd लगे you have to just pick it out. Okay, so we will start, and which is odd we have to just underline it. Okay, so just let's start with this. Number one is saying common salt. Okay, glucose, it is also edible. Common salt भी खाने वाली चीज है. Copper sulfate, as we all know, this is also in the powder form. And powdered glass, as we all know, common salt, glucose, copper sulfate is different, but powdered glass का powdered is completely different. So this is your basically odd one. Okay, just underline it. So this is how you have to find out the odd one. Now second question, you can see jasmine is a type of flower, marigold is a type of flower, bucket बाल्टी कोई flower नहीं है, and rose is again flower. So 1, 2 and 3, these are flowers, and we have to find odd one, that is your bucket. Very good. So bucket is your odd one. Now next one, as you can see, first you have to read it yourself. So they have written gems, जो आपके छोटे छोटे gems होते हैं अलग अलग पत्थर, that is your gems. Aluminium is a metal, silver is a metal, lead is also a metal. Okay, so as you know, yes, you will tell aluminium, silver, lead. These are metals. So what is odd here? It is odd here gems. This is a kind of stone. Okay, so among these metals, this is your stone. Now the last one, as you can see, chair, okay, table, cupboard, baby, bed. Again we will read chair, it's a object, table is a object, cupboard is a object, baby is human being, and bed is again object. So you can see here chair, table, cupboard and baby are the different thing. Bed is the different thing, and what is the odd here? That is your baby. So I hope till here it is clear to you all how to do all the book exercises, and you have done as well. So this is your homework time. Okay. So basically students, as you all know, as I told you in the beginning, that your homework would be very similar, that you have to do this book exercise in where you have to do it in the book itself. Okay, so this is your homework, and don't worry about it, just complete your work and your work will be checked soon. Okay, so till then you have to take care of yourself. See you. Bye bye.